Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Fluency class series. In today's video, we are going to learn about artificial intelligence, its concepts and applications from both part 1, module 1 and module 2. This is our Digital Fluency class series part 2 video. Let's start. Let's start with the definition. What it is. Artificial intelligence, which is also called as in short terms AI. It is a combination of two words. One is artificial and another one is the intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but a smartness. We all know about a human intelligence, the same one. And what about artificial? Artificial is something which is not natural. It can be a fake one, it can be a duplicate, it can be a copycat or anything which is not a natural. See, for take an example, a natural flower and a plastic. One is a natural one. Another one is copy of the natural flower. It's a duplicate version or it's an artificial flower. Similarly, we are creating certain machine setup or machinery or devices which contains the intelligence but not natural. It is an artificial. That is, let's say about the official definition. We can define artificial intelligence in two ways. First is it is not artificial intelligence is a branch of a computer science where we create machines or a smart machines or a smart devices, smart applications which are going to behave like human intelligence or which are going to behave like human memory, which are going to behave like humans smart. They need to be smart, means machines that we create need to contain human smartness, human intelligence. Means we are going to create a device or a machine or applications that need to be behave like human intelligence. First one. Second definition. Artificial intelligence is device that mimics. Artificial intelligence is a device or application or a technology that mimics human intelligence. Okay. Artificial intelligence is the word coined by John McCarthy. See, John McCarthy is also called as father of artificial intelligence. And the word is coined by him. And let's know about the artificial intelligence history. I said John McCarthy coined the term. Did artificial intelligence got developed in 1 day, 2 days, or a period of a year? Like somewhere it got developed now. It has a timing. The thing is, artificial intelligence is not a new concept, but not an old concept also. Means it not got developed in 1 or 2 days or few years. No, it's been a long process. Now today we are using the applications of artificial intelligence in real world. They are because it took a long process, long development, long research. Based on all those facts, we are got artificial intelligences today is because of all the previous historical resources. And let's know about the important. There are a lot of stages which happened in artificial intelligence histories. There are few milestone years and works happened in those years. Let's see about those things. First, in 1931, Godlayer published the first formal language. See, programming language we all heard it. Similarly, formal language is very important and early stages language it's very important. In 1936, what did was earlier published papers, he collected them, he worked on it, again republished with new results, new conclusions. In 1956, I already told John McCarthy, he found that word or coined the word artificial intelligence. In 1957, general problem solver was demonstrated by Neville Shaw and Simons. In 1958, John McCarthy invented the LISP language. See, these languages are very early stage languages and takes an important parts in today's modern technological world. In 1959, Arthur Samuel from IBM wrote a first gaming program. See, for example, we all know about the chess. We play with computer. There is no not someone in front of us. I play with computer. Yes, like that game playing program. He developed it. In 1963, Ivan Sutherland gave the idea of interactive graphics. We all know about the 3D graphics, animation, those things. This is early stage one. In 1966, Ross Collins demonstrated a semantic nets. See, semantic nets is nothing but a technology only, but the structure is like human brains, like net like structure. In a 1967, dendral program was demonstrated. See, again, this dendral programming, semantic, neural network, all the concepts are like technologies. Their structure is like a human brain connected to one to another. 1967, mouse got invented. In 1972, Prolog was developed. It is again a programming language. In the mid 80s, the concept of neural network got invented or it started getting a attraction and people started working on it, developing, researching happening in that particular section. In 1990, the major advantages means the biggest vector. People getting a lot about it, getting interested about it. So research is happening, development is happening. People taking interest in the artificial intelligence concept. This is the place where lot of things, visions, virtual realities, games, other topics started get developing. In the 1997 is the biggest and golden stone during the history of artificial intelligence. There is a world champion and another part is there is a chess program. This is an artificial intelligence based gaming setup. Its name is Deep Blue. There is a match announced between a world chess champion and a Deep Blue artificial intelligence game. Among this match, the artificial intelligence enabled Deep Blue on the match. It's a biggest milestone. After this, people got like it become like machines can overcome human intelligence. In 2002, iRobot was built. See, this one is like a cleaning robot and it become very famous and its performance is great and research is for people who want to research and it become a milestone in robotic field and it is working, functioning. It's very perfect. It's got that much famous like in 2006 it got sold. Do you guess how much it's a 2 million at that time. You can imagine artificial intelligence becoming quite famous during that time. And over a period of first time, one by one, research is happening, continuation is happening. It's not a new technology, but it's an old technology, but it is getting developed. New applications are coming, new research is happening, and again, this is current trend. That's why artificial intelligence is one of the best example for art emerging technologies. See, in today's world, we are actually using these concepts and the devices which are based on this concept, we are using it. But many people don't know that they are working based on artificial intelligence concept. Working. See, it's artificial intelligence is main is a concept. Actual thing is a concept. See, it's working. Generally, I am explaining how it works. See, first thing is we need to have a certain concept inside our brain. Like this, I need to do a setup. It has to work like this. That concept is first. Based on the concept, I need a devices, tools, machineries, how to gather them all. After gathering them, I have to connect them according to my concept. How to connect it? After connection, I have a concept inside my brain. If I had a concept that machine setup cannot work, means that concept has to be inside that machine concept. Yes. So what we have to do? We have to convert that concept inside that machine. So how can we do? We can do it by coding, by programming. We have to write or we have to put in inside. We have to input programs or a codes inside that machine setup. How we can write an input? Before to do this, we need to write these programs. To write these codes, we need algorithms. We have a concept now, that is a problem. According to that, we have to write algorithm. Based on the algorithm, you have to write the code, and then we have to transfer the code inside a machine. If it is internetly connected, it is not like inside home or online, means we need a internet. Then we have to do the setup, and we have to test one or two times, and then test, and if there is wrong, we can change the machinery, we can change the code, and finally we have to test it, and we can use it regular basis. Then comes the types. See, artificial intelligence has a two major and minor types. In major types we have four types. In minor types we have a two types. See, first see about the minor types. See, artificial intelligence is divided into weak artificial intelligence and a strong artificial intelligence. See, first we will see about weak artificial intelligence. See, weak artificial intelligence is nothing but a intelligence. Its smartness is limited. It works on a limited area or certain area, not covers a wide range of a area. If there is a machine or a device, it is for temperature checking, like that. It only focuses or reads temperature. It not shows about a gas, humidity, or any person entry. It not shows any details. Only limited to temperature section. Got it? Weak artificial intelligence is nothing but artificial intelligence which has a limited area, limited application. See, for example, we used Alexa and Serena. Those are examples for weak artificial intelligence. Let's see about a strong artificial intelligence. These are a wide range. They don't have a limited. There is a one device. It can read the temperature. It can read the humidity. It can read if anyone comes. Like that, it has a multiple range. It's not a limited. In case of a memory or a storage, compared to that weak artificial intelligence, strong artificial intelligence is broader, stronger, multi-purpose, multi-area coverage, and many applications it includes. Let's see about what are the major types. It has a four major types: reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. Let's see about the first one, reactive machines. Before going to what it reactive machines is, I will say generally, if someone hits you, you either hit back, or if someone going to hit again, you try to protect. Means someone do the action, immediately you show the reaction. For example, if there is a gas, you are start trying, suddenly gas gets on, we will take our hands back. Means there is an action fire near my hand pulled back, because it shows the reaction immediately. Reactive machines are nothing but artificial intelligence setup machines which performs or react to the actions very quickly and immediately. They are not like a storage memory setup. Is there is a memory and already for this section this has to be reaction. There is no storage such thing. There is this, but limited, very, but not that much. No storage here. For a certain action it do the random reaction. That type of machines, there is no certainty. It's if someone do the action, machine do the reaction at the spot only, without thinking, without taking any consideration on the moment. And it not if again you do the same action, it no guarantee it will behave like a same only. The reaction can change. Then comes a limited memory. See, limited memory is a artificial intelligence enabled device where setup is such a that it also shows the reaction for our actions, but here reactions are based on previously happened action and reactions. This one, some first time one action happens, it shows the reaction natural, and that part is get stored. If next time same action happens, it will do the same reaction based on the storage, based on the previous activity. But the thing is, here memory is very limited. Third part is theory of mind. Theory of mind is a type of artificial intelligence. It is an artificial intelligence enabled device which need to be expected to be behave like human mind. It's not a random situation. Like many situations, we cannot depend on a machines. We need a human intervention. During that time, how humans behave, this machine need to be behave like that only. If gas leakage is happening, not only closing the gas button, opening window is also necessary so that leaked gas should go out. Theory of minds means behave like a human mind. Here the main concept behind is it has to behave like this. But how it is going to be? What we have to do is we have to get all the intelligence, how action reaction, and create a some model. And this machine, this theory of mind type, what it is, it does, it mimics that model. It mimics or copy how that behaves. It copies and behaves. Okay, it is according to the we input certain inputs. There is model, it is behaving like this means I to behave like this it has to be. Self awareness is broader. Here it do the same thing. It has to behave like a human intelligence only, but it is there is no model. You cannot mimic something. Already instruction are put inside memory. If certain situation like this, you have to behave like this without any human intervention, without any time limit or memory limit or quickness. It has to be perfect and accurate and most suitable reaction for the action. And the first two, reactive and limited memory, reactive machine and limited memory, both are already working, the applications are running. But the theory of mind and self awareness are, they are concept, they are in still developing stage. We are not using them in reality. There is no application. They are in developing, they are in researching process. Let's see about the application. See, artificial intelligence has a wide area of application. It has a wide area of application. The thing is, each area has a multiple application of artificial intelligence. In broad sense, we are going to see the what are the areas where artificial intelligence is going to be used. It is education, health, security, production, manufacturing. Hospital means again a healthcare, and big companies, manufacturing, securities, banking, and lot of areas it will covers. Again, we have a particular section. If we take particularly in healthcare department, how it can be used to identify the disease based on the features. It can guess the disease. It can use the robots and wearable items. It can be gloves or anything. Digital twin, 5G, 3D printing is also very helpful. In many fields, it is used. In each field, multiple places it is used. Let's see what are the use cases. See, again I said, if in manufacturing, I said a manufacturing, if there is a product, what is quality? If there are in a big manufacturing, whatever lacks together product got manufactured per day basis, per hour basis. You individual human being, or you cannot afford a human being, check continues. If we installed AI systems, artificial intelligence systems, then checking becomes very easy and fast and accurate also. It checks the product quality and their failures and how long it is going to survive, and what we need to maintain those things, and a lot of things, and stores the product reviews, getting the reviews, and it's new what we have to do the changes like that. Robotics also using, robots are used in every field, means wherever robots is there, artificial intelligence is surely there. And a customer service is obviously every time, if customers calls you has a problem, and it is every time human being respond is not possible. It is automated or artificial intelligence device, it will provide us services. Let's see about a few example, very famous few example. These are from the books only, but apart from the book also lot of there. Siri and Alexa, we all know in these days it's a recent application. Alexa is, we are seeing the advertisements in the TVs, and self-driving cars. Not only self-driving cars, the automated vehicles or any automated device, automated application. Robot, again robotics comes here. Then comes email spam filters. There, everyone has a spam folder. We get a lot of spam emails that are available in spam section. And a Netflix recommendation, everyone knows it. For example, let's take about a YouTube only. If we once open a YouTube and search certain topics, and we close the YouTube and opens again, we get a lot of videos regarding the earlier search. Means it's recommending to us because already searched about that topic. It thinks that I am interested in that area, it is recommending like that. It happens in Netflix also. Okay, thanks for watching, and this is artificial intelligence. I hope you people understand it. And next I try to make a video about machine learning.